Hi there. Welcome to my channel. My name is Miguel Martinez Juarez. Today, I'm going to talk about how to eliminate desire and use the law of assumption correctly. Okay. And I'm going to go into how everything is just consciousness, everything is just thought at the end. So stay to the end because that's going to boom, blow your mind. All right. Now, when you use the law of assumption, meaning you identify as the person who has the goal already achieved, you no longer want it. In the story where Neville Goddard learns the law of assumption, Abdullah tells him, you already went to Barbados and you went first class. Okay. He tells Abdullah, hey, Abdullah, it's been like a couple of weeks now and I still haven't manifested any tickets, nothing, money, nothing to get to Barbados. And he says, how can you want to go to Barbados? You already went to Barbados. How can you want it? So enter your desire: money, love, sex, food, whatever it is, restaurants, health and fitness, muscles. You say, I already have it. Okay. So a way I like to do it is ask myself a question. How do I feel now that I already have blank and it's over there or over here or what have you, right? How do I feel now that I have it and it's already there? Okay. So do that right now. Okay. Tell yourself. You can pause this or tell yourself, how do I feel now that, enter your desire. How do I feel now that I already have? How do I feel now that I already? And then wrap it up with the affirmation. Isn't it wonderful? Isn't it wonderful? Something amazing just happened to me right now. Something great just happened to me right now. And give yourself permission to manifest the best life and to go and have everything you desire. Give yourself permission to live your best life. Okay? It's okay. Right, Mashi? Right, my Mashi? Yeah. Okay. So when you do it correctly, you feel like you have it already. You feel amazing. And then you just go on with your day. Go on to do the things that you got to do. If you don't have things to do, put things to do in your day so you could go ahead and do them. And then you'll be in that vibration. And then things will just happen to make your wish manifest physically. Okay. Now, why is everything consciousness, right? God is everything. You are also God. Okay. Think of God as a big ocean, all right? Like a big circle of water or pond or something, a pond that never ends. And you're a drop in that pond. Your awareness watching me is you. And you watching me is also you. It's also God. Before we manifest something, there's only awareness, consciousness. Okay, consciousness. Everything is consciousness. I like the way this black dude on Instagram, I just scrolled and I found it. It was amazing. It was profound. It said this. When you hold your breath and you pass out, everything still functions. Your heart, everything's just functioning. The only thing you lose is consciousness. So you're actually breathing in consciousness, because when you pass out, you don't stop breathing oxygen. Your heart doesn't start pumping. Your organs don't stop working. You just lose consciousness. Your body's just probably like, breathing is still functioning, still existing. Your consciousness you just blacked out. And I'm just like, wow, I love that. So you're not actually seeing your couch or your fridge or your wife or your money. You're seeing consciousness. And it is your consciousness. How much? I'm over here with Marcy. Yeah, Marcy here. Yeah, Marcy. So, it's amazing. It's amazing. Assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled by asking yourself that question. How do I feel now that I already have this? And it's over here. Don't say over here. And don't say this. Say the desire and say a location. Okay? That's how I manifested my Dodge Challenger. I would say, how do I feel now that my Dodge Challenger, my black, wide-body Dodge Challenger is parked in my carport right now? And then I would feel the feeling of it. And then things happen to manifest it. I didn't think about how. I didn't think about the resources. Things will just happen. You'll get inspired action. Okay. I was looking at my dog because my dog was over here smelling around, moving around. I think he's hungry. I'm gonna have to give him some food because, yeah. It's amazing. And then go on about your day, okay? Now, if you have any questions, comment below and I will answer your question. Yeah, this is the end of the video. It's pretty quick and yeah, straight to the point. So you can't say, I want, and enter your goal. You can't say I want and then whatever it is that you want or desire if you're using the law of assumption. The moment you want it, assume that you have it. You no longer lack. You cannot lack. It is you. You already have it. Like Abdullah said, you went to Barbados. How can you want to go to Barbados if you already fucking went to Barbados? How can you want your desire if you already have your desire? I love you. Till next time. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.